Let's look at question 4 and 5. Let's write the congruency statement first. So triangle FGH is congruent to what? So F starts here, goes to the G. So F goes to G, then the G goes to the H. So F, this one will also start on F. So triangle F goes to the 90 degrees, E, then ends at the I. All right, so we don't even need to look at the image now. We just need this congruency statement. So notice F is corresponding to the F, G is corresponding to the E, and H is corresponding to the I. Okay, so angle G is corresponding to angle E, angle H is corresponding to angle I, right? So we can match it up. EFI, so EFI is G, F is F, then I is H. Okay. FG, this is the first two. So the first two here is FE. GH is the second two, so that's EI. And FH, so FH is the first and third, so it's FI, first and third. Okay, you just use the congruency statement to get everything else here. All right, so here we already have the congruency statement. E corresponds to angle H, so E is congruent to angle H. And then let's FE. FE is the first two, so that's going to be GH. EFI is going to be congruent to that angle of HGI. Then we have FI, which is the last two. That's going to be congruent to GI. Then we have FIE, so FI then E, so GIH angle. And IE, so IE, IH segment. Okay, so you just use the congruency statement to get its corresponding pieces and writing if it's either an angle or a segment.